particular bat. So these are count in common nouns. Like examples, Mr. Verma is a doctor. There are two doors in the room. There are four books on the table. Dogs and cats are the pet animals. This is my cupboard. The words in color are common noun. These are common nouns. Now collective noun. A collective noun is a name given to a group of a person, animal or thing. It is called a group. Like the bunch of grapes. In an army, many people are together. Indian army is a brave, very brave. So army is also a noun. Bunch is also a noun. The children are studying in the class. Children means a group of children are studying in the class. So children is also a group. For example, it has a bunch of keys, crowd of making a mess, herd of cattle in scene. Rohit presented a bouquet of flowers, class teacher, a troop of monkeys was seen. These all are groups, group of person. So group of person is called a collective noun. Now next is, see the example and match. Many collective nouns used for the group of kind. A pride of lands, the bouquet of flowers, string of beads, fleet of ship, flock of birds, brood of chickens, and a gang of robbers, host of angels, shoal of fish, drove of ponies, clump of trees, range of hills, troop of soldier, like this, no? Fourth is material noun. A material noun is the name of material or a substrate of which things are made of. Material noun क्या है कि जो material चीज़ को बनाने के लिए यूज़ लिया है ना, that is called material. और material जहाँ पर आ रहा है, this is called material noun. Like these books are made of paper. Books are made of paper. The sweater of made of wool. Sweater किससे बनता है? Wool से. This is the ring is made of gold. Gold is also a noun because it's also a material. Many beads are used to make a necklace. Necklace को बनाने के लिए क्या use हुआ? Beads. Beads is also material. Gold and silver are used to make ornaments. Ornaments यानी क्या होते हैं? जेवर. Ornaments बनाने के लिए क्या चीज़ यूज़ होती है? Gold and silver. It is also material. Wood is used to make furniture. Wood लकड़ी. Wood is used to make furniture. Furniture को बनाने के लिए क्या यूज़ आता है? Wood. The table is made of a plastic. Table किसकी बनी हुई है? Plastic. So it is called material noun. The last is abstract noun. An abstract noun is a name of quality, action or state which can only think of, it can be felt and cannot be seen or touched. जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन की जो होती है वो फील कर सकते हैं हम, इट ओनली कैन बी फेल्ट, हम केवल इसको महसूस कर सकते हैं, वी कैन नॉट बी सीन और टच, ना तो हम इसको देख सकते हैं और ना ही इसको टच कर सकते हैं. लाइक सोल्जर्स आर नोन फॉर देयर ब्रेवरी. सोल्जर्स अपनी बहादुरी के लिए जाने जाते हैं. वी कैन ओनली फील इट, वी कैन सी दिस नो. सो मानसी इज नोन फॉर हर काइंडनेस. मानसी किसके लिए जानी जाती है? काइंडनेस. काइंडनेस वी कैन फील ओनली. विजडम इज बेटर देन स्ट्रेंथ. वी कैन नॉट बाय हैप्पीनेस. हम खुशी को नहीं खरीद सकते हैं. यूथ एंड ओल्ड एज आर पार्ट्स ऑफ लाइफ. द वर्ड्स इन कलर आर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. दीज ऑल आर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. So in abstract noun we can only feel this, we cannot see or touch it. Okay. Now see the exercise. Tick the correct option. Cheese is made up of, cheese किससे बनता है? Milk. Okay. Shirts are made up of, shirts किससे बनता है? Wood. No. Cotton. Clear. Cups are made up of wool, paper or bone china. Bone china. Sweets are made of sugar, tea, coffee. Sugar. Bread is made of, ब्रेड किससे बनती है? फ्लोर. टोमेटो और एप्पल. फ्लोर. आटे से बनती है. अंडरलाइन द नाउन इन ईच सेंटेंसेस एंड राइट द टाइप ऑफ नाउन इन द गिवन स्पेस. गोल्ड इज अ कॉस्टली मेटल. अब मैंने आपको बताया था ऑलरेडी कि गोल्ड हमारा क्या होता है, नाउन है. विच टाइप ऑफ नाउन? मटीरियल नाउन. कपिल इज माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. कपिल, कपिल इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन. Delhi is the capital of India. It is also a proper noun. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. Also a proper noun. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty we can only feel, we cannot see or cannot touch. So honesty is the abstract noun. The teacher loves his students. Teacher and students both are common noun because it is not a particular teacher. We are talking about only the teacher, not particular any teacher. So these are common nouns. Now see, complete each phrases by putting collective noun from the given box. These all are collective nouns. So we have to find out these. A bunch of grapes, the bouquet of flowers, a class of students, the herd of cattle, a heap of stones, flit of ship, bundle of sticks, flock of sheep. Okay? Now see, this is for your homework. Classify these nouns. Uncle, goat, Yamuna, wood, Rahul, gold, wisdom, army, milk, Agra, sister, girl, honesty, India, bundle, iron, herd, Delhi, silver, bravery, class, health, flock, courage, flow. Proper, common, collective, material and abstract. Find out which type of nouns they are. They may be proper, they may be common, they may be collective, they may be material, they may be abstract noun. So find out, the nouns are given here, and find out which type of nouns they are. Okay? So this is your homework. I'm giving its pic also.